Welcome to our guide on transforming your small courtyard into a charming and inviting oasis. Whether you have a tiny backyard or an inner city courtyard, we've got plenty of ideas to inspire you. First things first, let's talk about maximizing the space you have. Small courtyards can often feel cramped, but with a few smart design choices, you can make your space feel much larger. Vertical gardening is a great way to add greenery without taking up floor space. Consider installing trellises or wall-mounted planters to create a living wall. Choose multifunctional furniture. A bench with hidden storage or a table that can fold down when not in use can save a lot of space. Selecting the right plants is crucial. Opt for plants that suit the scale of your courtyard. Dwarf varieties of larger plants or plants with a compact growth habit are perfect choices. Mixing and matching plants of different heights and sizes can add depth and interest to your courtyard. Use taller plants to create a backdrop and smaller ones for the foreground. A cozy seating area can make your courtyard a perfect spot for relaxation. Choose comfortable, weather-resistant furniture that fits your space. A small bistro set is ideal for tiny spaces. It's perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or a quiet evening with a book. Consider built-in seating options like a bench. Add colorful cushions and throws to make it inviting, and comfortable lighting plays a key role in setting the mood of your courtyard. Use a combination of fairy lights, lanterns, and solar-powered garden lights to create a magical atmosphere. Lanterns placed strategically around the courtyard can provide soft, ambient lighting. Personal touches make your courtyard unique. Add elements that reflect your personality and style. Hand-painted pots, garden art, or even a small water feature can add character to your space. Incorporating natural elements can enhance the tranquility of your courtyard. Use stones, wood, and water features to create a peaceful, natural environment. A small rock garden can add texture and interest without taking up too much space. Natural pathways and stepping stones can guide visitors through your courtyard and add a touch of elegance. Think about how your courtyard will look in different seasons. Choose plants that will provide year-round interest and consider how you can use your space in both summer and winter. Evergreen plants provide structure and color even in winter, while seasonal flowers can add vibrant bursts of color throughout the year. A fire pit or outdoor heater can make your courtyard usable even in cooler weather. With a bit of creativity and planning, you can transform your small courtyard into a beautiful, functional space that you'll love spending time in. We hope these ideas have inspired you to start your courtyard makeover. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Like, subscribe, and share for more design tips and ideas. Visit our website for more inspiration.